Hello, my name is Aditi Raman Jadhav. I am from 26 Feb batch. My today's subject is non-technical story, the sparrow and the crow story. One in a one village there is a crow and the sparrow live. The crow's home was the crows lived in a mud house, and the sparrow lived in a brick house. One day there is a heavy rain. The mud house of the crow is a the mud house of the mud house of the crow is fall away by the run. The sparrow's home. Crow come to the sparrow's home and lock the door. Please open the door. Please open the door. The sparrow asked him, "Who is there? Who is there?" The crow say, "I am crow, your friend." The sparrow is a very humble heart. He opened the door and asked him what happened. The crow said, there is a heavy rain. My home is passed away by the rain. So can I live here? Can I live here? Sparrow said yes. Sparrow give the towel to her, and sit make a fire to sit to her to make warm. And she gave her sparrow gave her dinner. The crow was very hungry. After the dinner also, the crow is generally very hungry by the other than the sparrow. The cow asked the sparrow, "Can I live here one night? There is a heavy rain outside the house. Can I live here one night? I can go tomorrow morning." The sparrow said, "Yes, you can live here." You can live here for the one house. You can sleep in a veranda. I can give a bed in a I can make a bed for you in a veranda. The crow is very hungry. She said to The crow said to the sparrow, "Can I sleep with your child? I love childs. Can I sleep with the childs? I love childs." The sparrow said, "Yes, you can sleep. You can sleep." The sparrow gave her the sparrow sleep in a veranda. The sparrow put off lights and gave kisses to her childs, and outside the home in a ver- keep sleep outside the home in a veranda. The crow was very hungry. The crow grabbed the crow is grabbed the child of the sparrow, and bite them by this voice. Sparrow child was wake up and crying loudly. By listening this voice, the sparrow comes and said, "What happened?" She look this what happened. The by mistake, the crow crow bite the wooden toy by mistakenly. The sparrow said, you are very foolish. You are very foolish. I can give you dinner as well as home, but you can give me uh, the sparrow the sparrow the sparrow the sparrow fake outside the sparrow crow outside the home. uh, the crow is very sad about this action. Thank you.